fuck with me if I bite you your fucking nose off your fucking ugly face, nigga.
What's up, bro?
You done got real cocky, got your nice truck now. I wanna punch you.
Why you wanna hit me, bro?
Cause you get cocky, nigga. You look like you fucking better than.
I look better than? You look like fucking Pookie, nigga, when he was in New Jack, nigga, in the Carter. All you missing is you gotta start doing jumping jacks, nigga.
Shut up, asshole. Listen.
What?
I get a couple of hours, man.
For what? Be real, for what?
I need someone fucked up, son.
What you need, though? What you gonna do?
I need some money, son. I'm fucked up. Well, I would have asked you for it. I'm not bullshit with you. For all that nigga for.
Yeah, bro.
Give somebody that fucking bankroll, you fucking.
Yeah, bro, here, bro. $11, bro.
Damn,
what's wrong with you, nigga?
That shit, you dying.
Put some lotion on your hands, nigga. Put some lotion on them shits,
Some crack them fucking face shit.
Look them
some fucking,
bro.
split your eye.